Welcome to GSM Favor YouTube channel. This is my Oppo A3s smartphone. Now the problem is that when you press the power button and turn on the mobile, it goes into automatic recovery mode. When the phone is turned off and charged, it goes into automatic recovery mode. Factory reset is not the solution. I will now show you how to solve the auto recovery mode problem. The volume down button is clicking but not working. Now you need to open the back panel of the phone. I will now clear the volume down button. This problem is mainly if the volume down button is short. I will now clear the volume down button with tweezers. Yes, now the shorts have been removed. I will now try to fix the button. If it is not correct, then change the button. Now all the buttons on my Oppo A3s model are working properly. Auto recovery mode is no longer coming. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you will like, comment and subscribe and stay with us. Stay tuned by subscribing to our GSM Favor YouTube channel for tutorial tips and tricks to unlock more new smartphones like this. Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe GSM Favor for more video.